Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial using Urban Decay's new Born to Run palette. I was so excited when this palette came out. It is so pretty and huge, and of course I was going to do a tutorial with it. I'm probably going to do more tutorials using it just because it is really pretty and you can do so many looks with this palettes. But the shades in here are really pretty, easy to work with, pigmented, and it has a big ass mirror, which I really love. And yeah, you can create a smoky eye, a natural eye, anything with this. It's just really pretty. And I forgot how much it was. Probably like, I'm not sure, but really pretty. I do recommend it to you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this shade right here called Still Shots, and this is gonna be my transition shade, and I'm gonna put this all over my crease, as you guys know, and all the way to the top up to my eyebrow, so it can be easier to blend everything out later on. And then I'm gonna jump into this other shade called Baja, and it is a orangey shade, and I'm gonna put that in my crease just to start deepening it up a little bit and start giving it some definition. And then after that, I'm gonna oh wait, I got too ahead of myself, sorry. And then I'm gonna grab the same brush with no product, just with whatever is left on the brush, and I'm going to blend up to make it look a little bit more cleaner. And then after that, I'm gonna dip into this brown one called Punk, and I'm gonna be using one of my Morphe pencil brushes, and I'm gonna be using this to really give my crease some definition. I'm gonna go back and forth, but really slow, just because I don't want it to make a really big mess, and I'm trying to keep it under that orange shade. Then I'm gonna grab the same brush that I used to apply the orange shade, and I'm going to start blending that out. So I'm gonna blend it out in circular motions, and I'm also gonna go back and forth. But as you guys know, I like doing it in circular motions. I just think it helps to blend it out a little bit better. Then I'm going to dip into the transition shade one more time with the same brush I used first, and I'm going to be blending that out one more time again, just to keep everything really nice and clean. Now I'm going to be grabbing this green shade called Wanderlust, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lid. This is such a pretty shade. When I opened the palette, for some reason this caught my attention, so that's why I decided to use this color today, and it is so pretty. And then I'm going to be grabbing the one underneath it called Big Sky. With my finger, I'm going to be applying this to the center of my lid, just to make it a little bit more bright and to really make that eye look pop a little bit. And now I'm going to be grabbing the same pencil brush, and I'm going to dip into that brown shade again. And really slowly, I'm going to redefine that crease. If you don't do this slowly, you're just going to make a big mess. So that's why I suggest for you to go really slowly. And then of course, we are going to be blending that out afterwards. So I grabbed the orange shade just a little bit, and I'm going to be blending that out a little bit. And then I also grabbed my transition shade one more time and blended all of that out in the top. Then for eyeliner, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics BH liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to be winging it out because, you know me, I always have to wing it out. And this one was a little bit dry, but I did have a backup one, so I switched to my backup one and I finished the wing. But yeah, this is one of my favorite eyeliners. It's just really good, and it's really affordable, you guys. I think it's like $3 if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4. Now I'm gonna be grabbing one of my NYX glitter eyeliners, and I'm gonna be putting that underneath the wing just to give the eye look a little bit of shine. It looked really pretty. And then for eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Tress Chic lashes in the style Sassy. You guys know I have a coupon code if you want to use it. And then I'm going to be using my NYX retractable eyeliner in the shade Deep Purple, and I'm going to be adding that in my waterline just to give the eye look a little bit of color. And I thought this combination went really good. Now I'm going to be grabbing the same shades that I added in my crease. I'm going to be mixing them and using them to smoke out my bottom lash. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using my Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline, and I'm going to be using this to coat my top lashes and blending them in with my fake lashes, and I'm also going to use it to coat my bottom lashes. It's one of my favorite mascaras. You guys should really try it. It is really good. Then I'm going to move on to highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Pure Cosmetics Sculpture palettes, and I'm going to be mixing the both highlighters in the palette, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my face, but I'm also going to use it to highlight my brow bone, inner corner, and Cupid's bow. Mixing these are really pretty. And also what I did, I wet the brush just to intensify the highlight a little bit more. So that is a trick. You need to wet the brush if you want your highlight to be popping, girl, like really popping. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using one of my lip fondants by Cake Makeup. And to be honest with you guys, I forgot the shade of this lip fondant. I did get it in one of my Ipsy bags. I did purchase other lip fondants by Cake Makeup, but I forgot the name of this one. And then on top of that, I'm going to be applying this Lorac Alter Ego lip gloss, and I forgot the name of this one as well, and I can't find it. I think I lost it, but yeah. This is the final look right here. I love how this look came out, and if you guys liked it, please like this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys, love you.